How do you get verification badge on Facebook? Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on it, simply click on your name, which will open your Facebook profile. After you're in your profile, click on the three dots. After that, you'll find all these options. Click on Meta Verified in here. After that, it will show you all your profiles. Select the profile where you want badge and press on Next at the bottom. After you've done that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Select the offer you want, as you will find different options, and click on Unlock Benefits at the bottom. After you have done that, you'll find another option, save 20% on 2 profiles or continue with 1 profile. Select the one and then press on Continue again at the bottom, which will open your payment method. Click on Add Credit or Debit Card, enter your information, and purchase it. After you have purchased it, you will find verification badge on your profile. This is how you get Facebook verification badge. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.